Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this VIVO. First of all, go into Play Store and tap on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. After that, you need to install this free app from this developer. And when it's ready, open it. Now, thanks to this app, you can learn all the informations about your VIVO's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!